Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation right here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you guys have problem with the occupant classification sensor, if you need to see which fuse controls it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure stay until the end. But guys, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video. Why? Because airbags, if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, they can kill you guys. And quick reminder for any of you that are qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, and you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. That way you don't cause damage to modules and computers that can cost you thousands of dollars. We'll put links about that in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So, occupant classification sensor fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion. Here guys, you have multiple fuse boxes. Some of them are extremely hidden. We have a special video on our channel about fuse box location on Ford Fusion. Check it out guys. So come to the driver's side now, and here under the dash you see guys on the lower section of the dash here, you have that trim that extends all the way to the other side. It has 4 clips, one here underneath, and 2 on the other side. Pull from top to bottom, opens deep inside the dash on the left side. Behind that trim you'll find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So the fuse for the occupant classification sensor, where you can expect to find it, again consider this video for entertaining purposes only. Now guys, you see these double fuses, we recommend to keep some spares because those are super hard to find. Okay, we had to find them in the past. We were on the road in the middle of nowhere and we were stuck because of that, so keep some spares guys. Now here, occupant classification sensor fuse is actually that double fuse, that's fuse number 2122, but that section here, fuse number 22, that's the one that you need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.